Hi, I'm Mark Gaylor, Sony Global Imaging Ambassador. I'd like to take the opportunity to walk you through my mirrorless camera kit. And the first thing that I need to pull out, of course, is my third generation A7 camera. Now, I've got attached a 35mm f2.8. It's a small package that I can handhold all day. Because I'm using an interchangeable lens camera system, of course, it wouldn't really make sense if I didn't have more lenses in my bag. The first thing that I've got here is an 85mm f1.8 lens. Now, this is one of my favorite lenses just because it gives me that figure ground separation when I'm doing tight head and shoulder portraits. Now, the third lens that I have in this bag is a 1635 f2.8 GM. This is their premium quality glass. This is for people who really love their landscapes. It gives us that wide field of view, it gives us that deep perspective, and it's pin sharp corner to corner. Of course, the bag isn't quite empty yet. This bag will take an iPad, or alternatively, we can actually use a hard drive that is able to back up the data that we're shooting as we're working. Now, some people will say, but where's the tripod? And I do in fact carry a tripod as well. Obviously, it's not got very long legs, but this doesn't worry me because if I'm doing those long exposures, typically my favorite vantage point for these tripods is going to be on the ground or very close. Another thing that's probably not included in this 3 lens kit is this one that I have over here. Now, admittedly, it's a little bit larger, but this has got a lot of reach. So if you're going out on, say, an African safari, or you're photographing whales or birds, this lens is going to give me the reach. It's a 100-400 GM lens. I've actually got a 1.4 teleconverter on this lens that extends out the reach to 560mm. I'm Mark Gaylor, Sony Global Imaging Ambassador. If you need support with your Sony Alpha systems, just catch up with me on YouTube or on my website. All of the information will help you become a more creative photographer.